Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Wow, look at this CRBP, guys. Just when you think none of these things can happen again, they do. So pre-market action wasn't unbelievable until about 7:45. They did have some news. I think it's something to do with cancer, I believe. Don't quote me on that. There's the 9:15 candle right before the market opened. That little blue line there, if you're into trading right off the bat, this is where that alert would have happened right off the bat, right at 9:30. And before it pulled back at all, it went from about 16 something all the way up to 30. I'm sorry, actually, yeah, right before it pulled back, right up to 33, pulled back a little bit, and then it is still, who knows where it's going later on in the day. I also want to show what an exciting end to the race we're having, guys, our contest. Look at this. We've got all sorts of action. We've got Paul and Mohammed, and we've got everybody. We've got about 4 people within, depending on what they do in the last 3 hours. Depends what they do and what stocks they trade. You never know. Somebody can, like even Luis could come out of nowhere and take over. So anyway, it's been a fun week with the trading contest. Okay, guys, have a great weekend. We'll see you Monday.